In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create song using Openart AI. Let's jump right in by opening your browser and heading to the Openart homepage. This is where all the creative tools live, and we'll be working inside the audio section to build a song from your ideas. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar and click on Audio. This switches the workspace to tools designed for music and voice generation, so everything you need is in one place and the controls you'll see next will make more sense. Next, choose an audio model. Think of the model as the engine that shapes the overall sound and delivery. Some models lean more natural and smooth, others are more stylized or energetic. If the interface offers previews or short descriptions, use those to match the vibe you're after. Gentle ballad, upbeat pop, moody electronic, anything you can imagine. Now type your prompt. This is your creative brief to the AI. Be clear and specific. Mention genre, mood, tempo feel, and any key imagery or instruments. For example, upbeat pop song with bright synths, catchy chorus, and hopeful lyrics about starting fresh. If you have lyrics, paste them here. Otherwise, guide the theme and let the model propose vocal phrasing. Short, focused prompts usually yield cleaner results, and you can iterate as you go. Choose a voice that fits your concept. You'll see different timbres, light and airy, warm and soulful, bold and powerful, and often multiple languages or accents. Pick the one that complements your lyrics and genre. If you're crafting a duet or call-in response later, start with a single voice that owns the main melody. Open the voice control settings to fine-tune character and expression. These adjustments help shape nuance, how forward or relaxed the delivery feels. Small deliberate changes tend to keep things musical and prevent artifacts. Adjust speed to match your song's pacing. Around the default keeps it natural. Nudging slower can make a ballad more emotive, while a slight increase adds energy. Move in small steps and listen for clarity. Use stability to balance consistency and creativity. Higher stability anchors pronunciation and timing. Lower values invite more variation and spontaneity. For clean hooks, lean higher. For expressive verses, try a bit lower. Similarity boost keeps the output closer to the chosen voice's native style. Raise it for a faithful match. Lower it to allow more flexibility. Style exaggeration pushes performance traits like intensity and flair. A little can add excitement. Too much can sound overdone, so dial carefully. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate. Give it a moment to process, then listen closely. If something feels off, refine your prompt or settings and generate again. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll shape a polished, AI-powered song in no time.